Today I'm going to show you how to remove background of transparent objects in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your background eraser tool from the toolbar. Select sampling once at the top. Open the limits list and select discontiguous. Increase the tolerance to 65%. Now, paint over the black background to erase it. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Click on the adjustment layer and create a hue and saturation. Then clip it. I'll increase the lightness all the way to +90. And that's it. Thanks for watching.